Next one, 9.3. So page number 326, 9.3. For the following compounds, write structural formulas and IUPAC names for all possible isomers having the number of double or triple bond as indicated. So A, C4H8 1 double bond, C4H8 1 double bond, B, C5H8 1 triple bond, C5H8 1 triple bond. Then C4H8 1 double bond has four structures. Four structures. The four structures are, so first place double bond. First place double bond, then its name is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 carbons but first place in alkene. So bit 1 in first structure. Second structure, so isotype. For example, CH3, CCH3, isotype, double bond here. Then numbering is 1, 2, 3. So 2-methyl prop, 3 carbons. First place contains ene. Ene means alkenes. So 2-methyl prop 1 ene. So it is second structure. Third structure, so bit to ene has two structure, geometrical structures, cis trans. Bit to ene contains cis bit to ene, trans bit to ene. So here see, it is bit to ene, but its same side it is alkene, same side contains same groups. So same side contains same groups, above side CH3, alkene below side HH, same groups. That means cis bit to ene. So bit to ene contains opposite same groups. That means trans 2 butene. So total C4H8 has 4 structures. The structures are bit 1 ene, 2-methyl propionine, cis butene, trans 2 butene. Next one, C5H8. C5H8 1 triple bond. So 1 triple bond. Then for it has 3 structures. Here see, first place alkane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons. The numbering is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So pent first place contains I. So pent 1 9. Next one, so numbering is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second place contain I. Pent 2 I. Next one, here see, first place, second place, third place, fourth place. Here 3-methyl, 4 carbons means bit. First place contains I. So bit 1 9. So C5H8 has 3 structures and C4H8 has 4 structures. So these are 3 structures, these are 4 structures. Thank you, please subscribe.